All right, trick number 6 coming at you. This is not the trick here. This is just something fancy I learned in high school. It took me 2 hours a night, 7 days a week, and no girlfriend. For what? Nothing. All right, but here it is. What you do, you take, this is $1, but you can use a 50-cent piece or a quarter. It doesn't matter. What you do is you place your money right here. You take the tube of mystery. Very, very expensive stuff. Place it on top of the glass. Watch. No tricky moves. Well, step over here to the side. Watch. I lift the tube of mystery after I snap, and the coin disappears. Now, it just does not go anywhere and disappear. Look, right here in my pocket is the $1. Now I can make it jump back. Watch. Really close. Place it back into my pocket. Place the tube of mystery right back on the glass. I snap. And it jumps right back. If you'd like to learn how this is done, stick around. And I'll show you. Then to make your magic tube of mystery, you're just going to roll this around like this, okay? I'm going to tape that together. I use 2 pieces, like this. You don't want it too tight. You want to be able to pull that on and off pretty quick. Put one here, put one here, okay? And that way, if you want to, you can decorate this. You can say magic or anything you want to on it, okay? Well, you're good to go. All right, so this is how you make this trick. You need a glass, piece of paper, some tape, and some scissors. First thing you're going to do is actually make your gimmick right here. I'm going to trace all around the glass like this. That way I have a circle. Okay? Cut all along your circle here like this. You want to try to be as neat as possible on this. Very, very important. Okay? This is where your art skills come in handy. All right? Good? All right? Then you're going to take this. We're going to tape that right to the bottom of the glass like this, okay? You can use double-sided tape or just regular tape. I'm going to use a piece of double-sided tape. I'll even stick it on this. I'm just going to put a little piece right here. The smaller, the better, okay? That's probably a little bit too big. But I'll show you this just for the demonstration of it, okay? Put one piece here, now I'm gonna put the other piece right across it. Really small. How small that is? Smaller the better, okay? Like that. Okay. And you're gonna stick this on here. Just like that. Okay? That way now you have a piece of the paper right like this. So look, it just looks normal. So anytime you want to make something disappear, we're just going to move this over like that. Alright, so now you know how it's made. You will actually need 2 coins for this trick though. 1 coin goes into your pocket. Alright? Now this is very important. Do not ever lift the glass like this, okay? Or you're going to expose the gimmick. You always want to keep that covered. That's why you have the magic tube of mystery. That way when you place it on there like that, you place it right over the coin to make it disappear, alright? And also, people's going to try to grab the glass, so you want to do this really quick. So you do this, you pull the coin out of your pocket, and you show them that it came back, alright? Now, just do the opposite to make it come back. You place the coin back into your pocket, you take the tube of mystery, place it on the glass, lift the glass up, and there's your coin. All right, so you give it to them and you walk away with the tube of mystery and the glass like this. All right, so again, you never want to move this glass without the tube on the glass. All right, you always want to make sure this tube is on there just like this. And also, this is kind of important, you also want to make sure you use the same color piece of paper that's going to be on the glass. Never do like this, or they're going to figure it out really quick. But that looks really good like that. That looks really good. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this magic trick. So if you don't mind, please like and share and subscribe. There is a lot more to come, and tricks will actually get a little bit harder. But these are just some easy things that you can do with things right around the house. Okay, you can start real easy and simple with this stuff. All right, thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.